morning, everyone. So let's we start today's printing webinar. Today's printing webinar is on outrigger splint, finger outrigger splint. Last time मैंने complete किया था, but I think again I have got some mail and phone also कि sir you just एक बार फिर से आप इसको repeat करो. So I'm just repeated it again. Okay. So you are just see it, and this outrigger splint I am using in case of flexion tendon injury or in extension tendon injury cases. After 3 weeks, you can start this splint, right? So just a wait, I just okay. So let's start this splinting. I will just give a demonstration here, and I'm just recording this splinting webinar. Mostly I will send it or share it on YouTube also. So those जिनको problem हो रही है कि splinting कैसे बनाने का है, so you can see on YouTube also and make this splint, right? So let's start this splint. You all know this splinting is made by a wire only, okay? So so this is the wire through which I will make the outrigger splint. Okay. So we require the wire, we require the pliers, and we require the adhesive tape. Okay. So let's start the splinting. That is the outrigger splinting. So let's see. Can I make it? Hope you all can see this splint, how I am making it. Just we cut the upper area of the hanger, or you can use any wire, make it a little bit straight. Yes. If you want, then you can do a padding over this wire through Ethaflex. Otherwise, you can use directly this wire. And this splint is very useful for CBR project, or you can say in any camp. Okay. This is low cost splint. The cost of this splint may not be goes more than 20 rupees or 25 rupees. So now let's start this splinting. See what I'm doing here. We'll take a measurement from your MCP joint to forearm area, here to here only. Then we mold it 90 degree. As I told you in my previous lecture, we give a estimate area of palm. This is the palm area. Again, we mold it to 90 degree, exact 90 degree, and then we take a measurement from here, the second area of this wire, up to 2 inch or 1.5 inch. Okay, and then again mold and then see it. This will the condition you will get. Okay, now we move it to outrigger area. How? This area just we have started to mold in opposite direction, means in a longitudinal area. So just we mold it. You can use a plier here, so we'll get a very good finishing. Mold to 90 degree. Yes, this one. This is a 90 degree. Okay. This one. Now we'll take a measurement of your second finger or patient's second finger. you just take a second finger measurement. Yes, this area. From here, again, I am molding it up to a 90-degree, something like this. Okay. Let's take a proper measurement from this area to this area. Okay. You can use a scale also. You can use a scale. So we will get a proper and correct position of the splinting. So this is the area. From we have to down it something like this. Okay. Now again, जहां आपका ये एरिया फिनिश हो रहा है, जहां ये दोनों पॉइंट्स जंक्शन आ रहे हैं, वहां से अगेन यू मेक इट 90 डिग्री ऑफ molding. You mold it to 90 degree. Okay. So we'll get a small structure, something like this. Fine. The second hanger again, I have to use it to continue this splint. So again, we cut it. Straight it. Yes, something like this. And then you have to take a proper measurement. कहाँ से कहाँ तक इसको हमें connect करने का है. So we have to connect it from here, and then we have to make a 90 degree molding, and then we have to come back here. Okay. So approximately I have to cut this area. This is sufficient for me. Make it. Now we'll see it from here. Okay. And again, we have to take a proper measurement. This one, okay. So this is the area we have to mold it. Yeah, I have to mold it to 90 degree. This one, okay. You take a measurement of your base of palm, and then you make it something like this. Now just we have to connect this two part to each other. I'm just connecting this two part. So by connecting, you require the micro core. You can use this adhesive or micro core. Stick it properly. Yes, now it's. And the second area again, I have to stick with micro core. If there is some extra wire, then you have to cut it. Better. I'm molding, okay, and stick it properly. So we'll get a very good finishing. It is almost done. Okay. So have you seen this? Okay. So this basic structure has been ready. We have to give a take this two junction area. Yes. The last one. Let's take the second junction area. Okay. Give in each and every direction so that we get a spin become very strong. Okay. So now just completed all the area, we cover it. This basic structure has been ready. Now to mold it, for molding, first we have to mold this outer area towards down. We are just molding it downward, and here also from this area. Something like this. Okay. We have to see it. Finger cross हो पा रही है कि नहीं? Yes, finger cross हो पा रही है proper. Now we have to see. We have to mold this forearm area, and of course to this arches area. First, we are molding this forearm area because our forearm is in some curvature. तो इसको आप curvature की तरफ move करोगे. We mold it in this direction. You can use this pegboard. Over the pegboard, you just use it and press. So you will get a proper positioning of this splinting at your forearm area. Let's see it how I am doing. Okay. So this curvature you will get. This curvature. Okay. Just see the splint is balancing or not. You have to balance the splint. Yes. Now it's balanced. Okay. This angle and this angle should come in a one area also. Now you just try it. Of course. Yes. Now good. So your forearm area is covered. Now we have to consider over the wrist area. So this is our wrist. So we have to give a little bit in extension because in our functional position, wrist is over the slightly in extension. So we move it to 34 35 degree of extension. Then you have to set it. Yeah, right. Almost it is there. Fine. Now the upper area, obviously this upper area, you have to move little bit at front side so that you can use this area for loops. थोड़ा और I think we have to move it. So now it is okay. Now we are using the thumb area. So for thumb area again, you have to use that extra wire जो आपके पास पहले बच गया था कट करने के बाद. We cut it. We give a small loop here. If you want to use in right or left hand, then you have to change the thumb position. So right now I'm using it for my right hand. So it's the right hand. Of course, this curvature is remain. I will just mold it, and the thumb area should become from here. Okay. So we have to put the thumb here only. Okay. So now give a small mold 90-degree, and we'll use the adhesive tape. Molding this. Cut that tape in between and take a small piece of tape. Fix this thumb area here only at this position. Okay. थोड़ा सा इसको और स्ट्रेट कर लेते हैं और फोल्ड कर लेते हैं तो विल गेट अ प्रॉपर. Put the thumb in proper positioning, and then you use this adhesive tape and mold it. So use this tape and start to fix this thumb area. It is not very hard. You can make it by doing 2 or 3 repetition. You can make it. Only you have to know the different tips and trick to molding this splint. So we fix it. Now we use this loop. Okay. So this loop we have to use it over the upper area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the loop you want, you can use it. Okay, we have to give a small curvature here also. Fine. Okay. So you use it. I think we have to use the loop for thumb also. Okay. Right now, I just try to mold our finger. See, The splint is almost ready. Keep the loop in finger, put the loop in thumb for. If you want to give a maximum strength, then you have to mold this loop at the starting area. So we'll get a maximum strength. So this is out trigger splint is almost ready. So you can use this splint. You can use the different loop 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For thumb, you have to use a different loop. So under this way, we have to change it in a flexion and extension out trigger. So this is the one way. And again, I will use this extra wire. We mold it in a V shape. We have to see a central area of this wire. Mostly it will come here. We give a V shape here. And then mold it in opposite direction. Here, say, this will come V, okay, V shape. We have to make it, and this area we have to connect as a lower part of this split here only. So again, we use this adhesive tape. To take maybe will work. Now we'll stick it here. One part just near to the thumb area only. Okay. So we just connect it with thumb area and this extension out trigger area. Okay. It's almost done. Yes. And the other area, you have to connect on the opposite side. So this is the complete splint. Now you have to change the area so that you can apply the proper force. For applying the proper force, you have to change it as per the requirement of the patient. So we can use a loop at this area also. Use 1 or 2 loops here or 5 loops as per the requirement of the patient. So now, say how I'm using it, put the hand. There is no need for any Velcro, and let's use here for flexion, and the lower area you have to use for extension. Yes, this one. If you're getting any pressure or curvature, you have to improve this curvature or you have to improve this curvature as per the requirement. So now this is the outrigger splint, flexion outrigger, as well as the extension outrigger. For thumb, you have to change the position. For right or left, you have to change from this area to this area. This is almost done. So, I think you all have seen this splint. Okay. So this is the finger outrigger splint. I think there is some problem. Someone is getting a problem for recording and the video properly. So due to low network, no problem. I will share this recording on YouTube. You can see the YouTube. Okay, I will share the link also so that you can see the full video in YouTube. So this is the outrigger and wire splinting session. Now in my next session, I will start the low temperature thermoplastic splint, and especially the splint which is made for thumb base. So thumb base splinting, I am planning to organize on 29th. 29th is the Friday. I will share the link and all thing to all of you. Those who are interested can join it, no problem. Fine. So recording and all thing I will share. Link I will share. Now you can see all these videos over the YouTube. इसके पहले के भी जितने वीडियोस हैं वो सब YouTube पर डाल दिए हैं. जिसको इंटरेस्ट हो और जिसको बनाने की वो स्प्लिंट YouTube से आप देख करके इसको बना लेना. Okay? Thank you.